You see, getting 4,000 watch hours feels impossible until you actually start tracking every single minute. But I'm about to show you exactly how I'm trying to hit it. The real steps, not the sugar coated version. Alright? I'm not there yet, but I'm closer than I was last month. And if you have been stuck at 1,000 or 2,000 hours or 500 hours or anyone, this video might change how you approach everything. So grab your notebook because I'm breaking down my entire 4,000 hour strategy, my routines, my mistakes, and what is actually finally working for me in 2025. You see, before we talk about the strategy, let's talk about the pressure. You see, 4,000 watch hours isn't just a number. It's the difference between being a hobby creator and being recognized by YouTube as a serious channel. To qualify for monetization, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is within 12 months. That means people have to watch your video for 240,000 minutes. Let that sink in. You see, 240,000 minutes of someone choosing you over every other video. But here is the secret. It's not about making longer videos. It's about making videos people finish. You get it? So because if your viewers don't stay, YouTube won't actually stay with you. That is the big secret in it. You see, when I started, I thought uploading more video meant growing faster. You see, I posted everything, cooking, vlogs, random thoughts, whatever came to my mind, but I was spreading myself too thin. You see, my views were okay, but my watch time flood. It was really down. You see, people clicked, but they didn't stay. They don't really watch till the end of the video. That doesn't mean that the video doesn't bring value. Then one comment really changed everything. You see, someone said, I like your energy, but I don't really know what your channel is about. And that actually hit me. It struck me. So I started focusing on one thing, because when you look at my channel, you see that I was doing different things, but now I just like to focus on one thing. You see, my creator journey, once I got everything clear, my rotation doubled. My views slowed down, but my watch hours started climbing. And that's when I realized that the algorithm rewards clarity, not echoes. You have to make your channel clear that this is what you do, and things will start working. All right, here is what you really came for. My exact 4,000 watch hour plan. It's not fantasy, it's not consistent. 5 pillars I live by is: forget only short. Long videos take watch hours. My target is 10 to 15 minutes upload. That gives enough room to storytelling, recitation, and section time. This is what you have to take note. And another one is I post twice a week. I post on it, not really twice. I post my long videos, like I post on Mondays, Sundays, depending on which time, with my shorts. Even when I'm tired, I try to do something. I try to go live. I try to post something because YouTube loves pattern more than perfection. If you want YouTube to take you serious, you have to got to show up even when no one is actually clapping, when no one is actually watching that video, when no one is even trying to understand what you are saying. You still have to show up and tell them that this is what you know how to do. And here is the goal: no dead moment. You see, a thumbnail isn't a decoration, it's the handshake that gets the views or get the viewers. You see, I spent almost as much time testing thumbnails as I do editing. You understand? So your thumbnail decide whether someone watches your content or decide whether they stay. So I make sure I reply comments, use polls, and drop questions at the end of every video. Because if you watch my video, you notice that I do ask questions. So because YouTube isn't about numbers, it's about people who care enough to come back. Now let me actually show you what this actually looks like in the real life. You see, in the morning I plan my test video. In the afternoon, I shoot, or in the morning, I do shoot sometimes in the morning, even if it's not perfect. And in the evening, I edit until timeline, like, or I feel okay, or when I notice that the video is now good for me to publish. And here is what no one tells you: your watch hours don't come from your newest video, they come from the library you have already built over time. I've got older videos which is actually still pulling views months later. That's why I keep everything evergreen: the tips, the lessons, and vlogs that age well. So every new videos is another like another soldier that is actually working for me while I'm asleep. You see, whenever I see a drop on my video, I go back and ask, what made people to click away? Sometimes it might be a slow intro, how I started my video. Sometimes it might be too much of talking before the value. But everything I make sure I add minutes. And the crazy part is a 1 minute boost in every average view duration can multiply your watch hour faster than 5 new uploads. You get it? So let's be real. The hardest part of this grind isn't the editing, it's the waiting. You upload, refresh again, and the numbers barely move. But every creator who ever made it had one thing in common: they kept posting even when nobody is actually watching, or that is really watching the video. You see, I stopped chasing perfection and started chasing the progress. 1% better each upload. That's it. I make sure I have this 1% better in each of my upload, and that is it. You see, some days I get 10 hours of watch time, other days I get 2, but I remind myself that I'm still ahead of where I started. You see, this journey isn't about viral moments, it's about building or trying to build trust with every minute someone is actually choosing to stay or to watch your video. So yeah, that's my exact plan to reach my 4,000 watch hours. No shortcut, no fake posts, just real strategy for me to stay real grounded and real consistent. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment telling me your current watch hours and subscribers so we can actually hit the milestone together. I will keep sharing my progress, and when I finally hit this 4,000 watch hour, we are going to celebrate it right here on this particular channel. So thanks for watching, and remember, your next upload could be the one that can change every single thing for you. So see you in my next one.